Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, August 1st, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how your future is created by today's decisions. But before I get started, this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I thought that, it's the start of a new month. And a lot of times people, they treat the beginning of a new month like they do the new year, and they have goals set out. And, usually by the first few days into it, those goals don't exist anymore. But I thought I'd do a video anyway, because really your future is dependent on what you do today. And what I mean by that is there's 5 different things that I look at, right? And the first one is to choose growth. And what that means is to continue learning every single day, right? It doesn't matter what business opportunity you're a part of, or if you own your own business, or it doesn't matter what niche you're in. You always have to be learning and keeping up with the trends and the times, because if you don't do that, you're not gonna grow your business, right? I mean, like if you have a business today and you're not using AI in some capacity already, you're already way behind everybody else. So you always want to learn. You always want to invest in yourself every single day. Invest in yourself. That should be the number one thing. If you're out buying courses and things like that, it should be investing in yourself. What's going to make me a better person? What's going to make me a better leader? What's going to make me a better sponsor? What's going to make me a better husband or wife? What's going to make me a better father or mother? Always invest in yourself. That's the most important thing that you can do. Because the better that you become, the better you're going to be running your business, right? I mean, great companies grow because of great leadership. That's the only reason. It doesn't matter what product or service you have. If you don't have great leadership, your business isn't going to grow. So you want to become the leader and the best possible person that you can be in every aspect of your life. So that's the first thing. Always choose growth. Always invest in yourself first. The second thing is choose action. All right? I talk to so many people, and I've helped so many people over the years who have, they get into this analysis paralysis, right? Where they think everything has to be perfect before they can start anything. And the truth is, you don't have to wait for perfect timing. Just start doing it now, right? If you don't know anything about marketing and you want to start building an online business, then start learning it now. And start applying things that you're learning right away. Don't wait for the perfect timing, because there's no such thing as perfect timing, especially when it comes to entrepreneurship. Right? Like there's no perfect timing, and it's good that there's no perfect timing, because then you learn to go with the ebbs and flows, the ups and downs, right? I've talked about it before. Like every entrepreneur, you reach the highest of peaks and you reach the lowest of lows. And that's just part of the journey. It's a non-stop roller coaster where you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down. And so you can't wait for perfect timing, because in this reality, in business, there's no such thing as perfect timing. You can be at the right place at the right time, but there's no perfect timing. Like, you just have to go and start right now. Don't worry about learning every single thing about marketing today. Just learn as you go and apply what you learn. So that way you're learning and growing at the same time, right? You're building your business while learning and growing. That's the best thing you can possibly do. So stop waiting for perfect timing, because it doesn't exist. So start today. Take action today, right? And you want to choose discipline. You want to become a disciplined person. And what I mean by that is small daily habits add up and they compound over time. So I've talked about in other videos that if you do something for 30 days straight, it's going to become part of your programming. You're going to be programmed to do it every day, to where you just do it every day. Like, there's certain things that I do every single day because I've been doing them consistently for so long. But if you're going to grow a business, you have to be disciplined. And small daily habits will help grow your business if you stay consistent. Right? Everybody waits to become motivated. But motivation, I mean, small daily habits and taking action every day will beat motivation every single time. And that's just the truth. Small daily habits will beat motivation every single time. What you need is momentum, right? And once you get that momentum going and you start seeing results, then you start getting motivated. All right, so stop waiting to become motivated, because that doesn't happen. You have to start taking action today. Do daily actionable steps every single day consistently for long enough to where they become programmed into your mind and they just become part of your daily habits. That will grow and build momentum, and that momentum will give you motivation to keep going. All right, does that make sense? The other thing you want to do is choose focus, right? Stop chasing everything. Commit to one program or opportunity. You don't need a dozen opportunities when you're starting out, right? Most people that become wealthy and successful in business, they start with one opportunity, right? Jeff Bezos started with Amazon. As Amazon grew and Jeff Bezos became, had that running like a well-oiled machine, he was able to go off and focus on Blue and all of his other opportunities. Elon Musk, he started with Tesla, or actually he started with PayPal back in the day, right? So all these people, all these big-time business people, they usually start with one business or opportunity before they branch out into other things, right? Like Bill Gates, he started with Microsoft before he branched out into doing what he does now. And so stick with one thing and stick with it until you start building it, and I've had to do that to myself. Sometimes I've gotten to where I have too many things going on at one time, right? Like right now, my focus is going back into my soap company because we're taking this to the next level. So now the majority of my time is going back into my soap company. So you have to learn how to balance everything out. But when you're just starting, just pick one thing and focus on that and do it right. Now my phone's saying storage is low, so I got to get going here. So stay focused, commit to one path and do that very well. And the last thing is choose persistence, right? You got to keep going even when progress feels slow, right? It's too easy for people to say, oh man, this isn't working out, I'm just going to quit. You have to keep going even when things are slow, even when you think that things aren't working in the background. Because I'm telling you, if you stay consistent and show up every day and take action, that's going to compound over time. So it might not seem like anything is working, right? Like say direct mail, for instance. If you're mailing out 500 pieces of mail every month and you're not getting any responses right away, let that compound, because your efforts right now are going to shape the future, right? I've gotten people signed up that received a letter from me 6 months before they decided to sign up. So everything you're doing today will affect the future, and you can't give up even when things feel like they're not going your way, or when you're not making enough money right away, or when you're not getting the results that you want right away. You have to keep going. All right? So that's it. Your future isn't created tomorrow. Your future is created right now, today. And I'm going to end this video. I hope you found value in it, just because my storage is running out here. But I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I'm going to leave a link down to our soap company so you can check that out. I'll leave a link to my main hub, joinruss.com, so you can check out my top 2 business opportunities that I'm a part of. But I got all kinds of videos here on YouTube about different programs and opportunities. Reach out to me if you ever have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And with that being said, I hope you have a great month of August. I hope you have a great day today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, so until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.